Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another video. This is an IAA walk around video. As you can see, I got the power. Yeah, and I have palm trees. And I have a gigantic landfill mountain right there. This isn't Tulsa. This is not Oklahoma City. This is Florida. This is Fort Myers, Florida. I'm down here visiting family and I thought, heck, let's get into one of my favorite places on earth. Completely different vehicles here and a completely different feel. Teeny tiny little house right over there. That's their offices. Super nice staff, super friendly general manager, and we're gonna find some super cool cars. I'm hoping, including one that's right here in front of me. Check this out, 2004 Audi A4 convertible that looks like very minimal damage from the front, but as you get closer and closer and look inside, there you go. What is that? Well, it's sand and mold and muck and leaves and everything else. So this is a flood vehicle right here. This, whoa, even in the back right there. How high did the water get? Well, at least this high. So from here to here, which is a good 3.5, 4 feet. You want to try to open it and see what it smells like, because it's going to be wonderful. Yeah, this is, oh my gosh. They did try to eliminate the moisture. Did not work at all. Look at this. Holy moly. Look at the mold and everything. You got sand everywhere, even up to the top of the seats, even up on the roof. So this was probably completely submerged. Wow, look at that. That is crazy. Is this something that you could fix? Yeah, I guess. If you really wanted to risk it, you want to risk it all. So in addition to the bumper, you could probably even save. This is salvageable. Okay, you may have some issues with this. You might have to glue that. But the question is, did water get in the engine? It got on the engine. It got over the engine. They have a bag right over the battery right there so that you can't connect that. But this is, let go. Just wanted to see if we can see the oil. Here we go. Let's just kind of see what's in here. Well, what do you see? It looks kind of wet. Oh, there's mud. You've got mud right in there too. So yeah, this is going to be a fun little restoration project. And I bet you there's water in the engine. You got a dead spider right there too. Look at this. What a mess. But this is the kind of thing you see out here in Florida after hurricanes. Absolutely. So I'm noticing already, I've been here maybe 30 minutes, that a lot of these cars are pretty severely damaged. Not all of them, but I would say most of them have some pretty significant damage, like this little Beamer right here. But if you look closely, you can find nice cars. 2015 Land Rover Range Rover that is still standing. The suspension seems to be fine. The wheels are in great shape. I want to see what the interior looks like, and then we'll see if she has any power left. I still want me one of these. You know I do. Absolutely do. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. We have, well, okay, that's bad. Here's another one. This at one time was underwater. Look at the corrosion right here. Is this even for? Yeah, this is for, yeah, Range Rover Jaguar. But look at the seats. Look how nice those seats are. I don't even know if she'll she'll try to start because those computers could have something to do with the ignition. Look at this. Oh, we got some shoes. Ridiculously comfortable. And a little bag that coordinates with, or a little bag, a little blanket that coordinates with the seats. But look how nice this was. Speakers, entertainment. This is kind of falling down right here. This was a beautiful car. Oh my gosh, this leather is nice. And look at this. Good years, lots of tread left. Oh, this was beautiful. All right, let's go around on the other side and see what it's like at the driver's seat. Making our way inside. Oh, yes, please. Oh, my goodness. Gorgeous. Beautiful, but dead as can be. Yeah, she's not going to do anything. She is really not going to do anything, and I don't have my little extra. Look at this. This is how you, I guess, pop her into neutral so you can move her when you need to. Oh, I'm so sorry, little girl. What happened to you? Was it kind of a flood and it just got up to the electrical components? This is still dry. Let's look at the engine and see what's going on. This, they have these little canals between every row, and there are things moving in there. So you got to be careful where you go and where you step. Here we go. Supercharged, absolutely. See any muck down there like it's been flooded? I don't. Something is disconnected all the way over there, and I really can't even go between the vehicles. They have this parked very close to the one in front of it, a little Honda in front of it. But this, wow. Okay. Man, oh man, I'd love to have one of these in my garage. But unfortunately, this one's not going to be it. I can't even try to start it. I really can't. So, 2015 Land Rover Range Rover with a beautiful interior. The hunt continues. Yeah, that's going to do it for this video right here. But we are continuing our search for that perfect Mercedes convertible. I hope it's out here somewhere. Sometimes they have off-site sales. And if you're a dealer, I don't know. We're just going to continue looking and hopefully find it or something else. I don't know. But I want to say thank you to everybody here at Copart in Fort Myers. A completely different feel to this yard right here. And there are very nice vehicles. There are very damaged vehicles as well. So we'll continue looking. All kinds of Mercedes, all kinds of Challengers, Hellcats, SRT. I don't know. We're just going to see what we see. All right. So we'll see you in another video. Guys, thanks for watching. We're back soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.